So I got this great joke. Wait till you hear this one.
No. It was fun last week, so I want to be the funny one again.
What?
Yeah, I want to be the funny one. Okay, so what did the moron have for breakfast yesterday?
What did the moron have for breakfast yesterday?
Yeah,
You
had oatmeal and toast. We don't have the special glasses. We're hiding from the eclipse. Good morning.
Morning, love
Cheers,
you.
love you too. Good morning, everybody. Happy
Cheers.
Saturday. Yeah, we're staying out of the eclipse because we heard that it does weird things to your mind. We don't need any more of that.
Like you'd be able to tell a difference on this side of the camera.
Nope. First thing, happy anniversary to Kevin and Wendy. Tomorrow is their anniversary.
Yes.
Happy anniversary. Oh, I wish we had the camera facing that way. Oh, so he's got sunglasses, a welder's mask, and he's got a Pepsi carton with a hole in it to look at the eclipse. That's our brother-in-law.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. Thank you, everybody, for coming and visiting with us today and watching and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so and make sure to click that bell to get notified every time we put out a video. Give us those thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share with your friends you want to torment. So last Saturday, we chatted with you guys. I did some work.
You worked all day.
I did work all day.
You had bookkeeping stuff all day long.
Yep.
Bear and I just stayed out of the way.
Yep, you just enjoyed a nice day, hung outside, went for walks. Yep.
And Kaylee just slept through it all.
Oh, yeah. Sunday I worked all day too, so I'm trying to
I
get
know.
all my work done for
Ahead
a
of
while
time. Yeah.
while we're traveling. I like to just relax during that time. So, so I've been doing that, and you went around and did some RV maintenance.
Still little touch-up things here and there.
Double checking, making sure all the screws are tight,
Yep.
and all the windows are sealed, and all that good fun stuff.
You don't want to travel with a loose screw.
So when you were doing that, you noticed something that was not like, it's not on the board. The pin, the leg pin.
Oh, yeah.
So
That was not good.
He's laying underneath, tightening screws, and he noticed something on one of the front landing legs.
Landing jacks on the front, you know, the pull pins that lock it into place. There was no pull pin coming through all the way, you know, and I kind of looked, and I looked at the other side, I looked at this side, I looked at the other side, and I went, well, that's not good.
Couldn't see the pin on the other side.
So
It was bent.
there'll be a video on that coming out in a couple weeks.
Yeah. So, anyway, on Monday I took Mom to go to the doctor and to run some errands, and kind of the last time to do that for her. And then I came home and worked, and you were working on videos. We have an audience today.
Yeah.
They're leaving.
What happened?
I guess we're that bad. What?
She's going to sit on that.
It's not wet anymore.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Tuesday you had a work meeting, and then we went around some errands. We went to go stock up on propane, and I went and got my hair cut for the last time for the season until we get somewhere where
Until
I
it
can't
gets
stand
raggedy looking, and then she'll let me do it.
We provisioned with groceries, and it's just insane. We won't go into the prices again, but it's just nuts. And
ridiculous.
it's like we blew our monthly budget in one grocery trip.
Yeah.
And then I came home and worked some more. Wednesday I worked, did laundry. I don't know what you guys did.
Just kind of kicked back, did nothing again.
Probably.
Kind of nice having a working woman travel with you.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That could be taken the wrong way. Thursday, I worked, you worked. I had a working man. Ha. And then I packed up all the work stuff and done for work for a while. Yep. packed up some other stuff that we weren't needing. Then yesterday we had a busy, fun day.
Yeah, we got up at butt crack of darkness dawn.
It didn't start out very good.
To take her Kia into the shop before we hit the road and get it all up to snuff. It has a couple leaks on it. It has a coolant leak, has an oil leak. Just some little things needed to be fixed, and lo and behold, I get into it and start it up to just warm it up. The check engine light stayed on, and the temperature gauge went all the way to hot instantly. Very, very quickly. So I shut her down.
At 30 degrees
I
outside.
Put a little bit of antifreeze in there. We had just a little bit left, so I put a little bit of that in there. Didn't do anything. You know, the temperature gauge still went all the way up. I think it needs a thermostat. I'm 100% sure it needs a new thermostat because there was no heat whatsoever coming out of the furnace, the defrosters, nothing like that. And it went all the way up. So it needs that. So we called the
mechanics and
called
said,
the mechanic.
We'll bring it to you in the spring.
We're not fooling with this.
Kevin and Wendy can move it around the yard out of their way, wherever they want it, but it can't drive the highway all the way into town.
Start it up and move it here and there and get it out of the way, but...
we didn't want to deal with that. We were looking forward to our brunch.
Yes, we did have a brunch with some viewers yesterday.
Yeah.
And that was kind of fun.
Jim reached out to you a few weeks back and said, hey, we're going to be coming through there. Would you guys like to go to brunch? So
Jim and Michelle.
Jim and Michelle. It was wonderful meeting you guys.
It was so much fun to sit there and jaw for a while.
Yeah, we were at that table for 2 hours. We visited with them. It was a nice visit. They're great people.
Yes.
Thank you guys for reaching out to us. We appreciate that.
Truly do.
Yep. And then when we got home, we got right into fixing that front landing gear.
Fixing the landing jacks on the front.
We had ordered the parts.
You'll see that video coming up in a couple weeks.
So it wasn't the pin at the top that Tom and Dave had fixed already. This is the little pull pin. And then we had new feet. We had new feet to put on it, so we did that too while we were doing the whole thing. So we got that all taken care of, and then I packed up the barbecue grill and the little tables,
outside tables,
just outside stuff, little decorations and stuff. Got that all put away.
This is very sad.
Oh, my sister's sad. She probably came home, looked at it. Oh, they packed up.
Very sad episode of you guys.
Yeah, it's sad for my sister and me. Oh. Kevin's probably like, oh, I get my yard back. Then we took Mom to dinner for her birthday. So it was Mom's birthday yesterday, and we took her to Outback Steakhouse.
Took her out back and fed her like an old mule. Oh.
Not that Outback.
Oh.
Not that Outback. Outback, down under.
Oh, sorry.
So she had a very nice time. The waitress brought her a ice cream with a candle in it.
We got to sing happy birthday and all that.
Yeah, so she
that was good.
Had a fun day.
Good time.
Yep, she was feeling good, so that was a good thing too.
Yeah.
She has her up days and her down days, but she was feeling good. So speaking of the eclipse, we enjoyed the eclipse up in Oregon in 2017.
Ooh, wait.
What?
Ooh.
What?
Well, look how dark it's getting.
Oh, it's happening.
Ooh. It's happening right now. Ooh. Can you still see us?
Hello?
Hello?
Are we still here?
Are you still there?
Are we eclipsed yet?
Hello?
Hello. Well, we got to...
Are you there?
Ow!
Oh, I can't see.
That's another problem entirely. We watched the eclipse when we were camphosting up in Oregon in 2017.
Oh boy, there's a lot of difference between then and now. You realize at that time when we were in the eclipse, we did not have solar. We didn't even have a generator at that time.
Nope.
Our RV had the original kitchen slide. Nothing had been fixed on it.
There's been a lot of stuff since then.
What? Oh, what else? It's just crazy.
I don't know, but you know what? I've just figured we have bad years on eclipse years. That was a bad year, 2017.
Stop. Where are you?
Hit me again.
It's dark.
And this year hasn't been so great.
Well, be the last one I ever see, so I'm not worried about the next one.
Good, yeah, I saw it was like in what, 2040 something?
Yeah, I'm not going to
We
be
don't have
here.
to worry about that one.
I'll be lucky if I see January 1st.
Oh, whatever. Whatever. Yeah, okay, the eclipse thing's over. We're back.
Oh.
You can see us now. Oh, alrighty then.
What's coming out Wednesday?
What's coming out Wednesday?
That's our spring cleaning video.
Oh my God.
That went into the summer and into the fall.
Yeah.
So it's our spring cleaning video and downsizing video.
some more, yeah.
Again, it'll come out Wednesday at 2 o'clock Pacific time.
Little bits and pieces here and there.
It's a video you truly do not want to miss.
Parts of it.
There are parts of it that you're going to go, and you're going to need something. You're going to need a bucket.
Oh, whatever. It's not that bad. I didn't show the cleaning underneath the stove like I was going to.
No, but you did show the cleaning on me, so.
Oh, that part. Oh, God. Okay. Y'all want to see it, yeah.
2 o'clock Pacific time Wednesday. Don't miss this video.
Weak stomachs have a bucket handy. Okay. All right. Are we done?
We're done.
Okay. Oh, have a great week, everybody. See
ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Bear, Bear. Bear. Is it time to eat breakfast?
Come on, let's go. Bear.
Go see Aunt Wendy. Go see Aunt Wendy and Malie.
Wendy.